Thank you for visiting the Lawrence team. If you have any questions, please call us at 423-838-5011. We are here to help with all your real estate needs. A wonderful home within minutes from downtown and has been completely renovated with new roof, siding, 2 new HVAC systems, new wiring, plumbing and so much more. This home has a spacious floor plan with living room, master bedroom on the main floor, wonderful master bathroom with tiled walk-in shower, spacious eat-in kitchen with plenty of room for entertaining large gatherings. Laundry room which has been added to the square footage, and spacious walk-in closets. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, beautiful hardwood floors throughout, and tiled kitchen and bathrooms. If you're looking for a home that is close to I-24, downtown Chattanooga and shopping, this is the home for you. Call today if you have any questions.